Hey, my name is George. So I want to recommend Peach 100%. He's a good instructor. I've been taking Power BI and SQL class with him. He's very good. He's very detail oriented. He takes his time. He let you get involved with the project and also give assignments. And if you don't understand something, he will explain it to you. For example, I was a little bit struggling with SQL, doing the sub queries, combining the two table or pulling data from two tables, and also with the left joint, inner joint, store procedure, trigger. He showed me how to install. Pretty much gave me the vast knowledge of I said DBA. Database, administrative, insight, and also with the Power BI, help me out how to understand those complex, DAS calculations and, creating numerous of charting, in the Power BI, and also pretty much doing a lot of interactivities, Power BI, whether it's filtering capability, whether draw down capability, draw up capability. So like I said, I will recommend him 100% for everyone that want to take the course with him. That's the SQL and the Power BI and any other course that he offers. Thank you.